Hello, welcome with on few crypto coins in crypto. Additionally, Toncon finds utility as a processing fee for transactions and smart contracts, as well as in payment server provided by apps built on the Tone platform. The power of community in crypto, the self-sustaining economies of Avalanche, Tonecoin, and Scale based. In this news, we are sharing an important US topic. This is very exciting news. From its inception, cryptocurrency was created as the people currency, establishing decentralized finance, where we have full ownership of our money stored on our devices and with no third party overseers such as banks monitoring or creating the money. It's the crypto communities that distribute and govern the currency. Still, not all cryptocurrencies harbor the qualities we expect from DeFi, and if the cryptocurrency does not cater to the community needs, then the crypto falls apart. Is why critics believe Dog is struggling to reach its $1 price target due to the lack of community incentives to reach a self-sustaining economy fueled by community involvement. Avalanche, Toncoin, and Cagebase are the crypto achieving self-sustaining economies with the increasing Web 3.0 ecosystem and passive income opportunities, but which crypto is the most fun and lucrative of the bunch. Toncoin, the crypto for staking, gaming, collectible, and more. Toncoin is the native cryptocurrency of the Ton network, offering a vibrant ecosystem that caters to various community needs. Toncoin serve as a fuel for network operations, transactions, and active such as gaming and collectible built on the Ton blockchain. One of the notable aspects of Toncoin is staking functionality, allowing users to earn passive income by participating in network security. Validators stake their Toncoin to maintain the blockchain, ensuring its stability and security. The incentive is community members to actively engage in securing the network while earning reward for their contributions. Additionally, Toncoin finds utility as a processing fee for transactions and smart contracts, as well as in payment services provided by apps built on the Ton platform. Furthermore, Toncoin plays on integral role in on-chain government's program enabling community participation in decision making processes. Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that aims to compete with established players like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana. With its unique architecture and high transaction output, Avalanche offers an interesting ecosystem for community members to earn passive income. Through the DeFi exchange platform Trader built on Avalanche, users can stake their crypto assets and receive GOE token as rewards. This passive income opportunity has attracted many community members looking to capitalize on Avalanche, attracting staking payouts. Compared in its competitor, Avalanche offers a higher staking reward with averaging an 8.55% yearly payout compared to Sol 55% traded geo integrations with Avalanche. Ecosystem provides community members with seamless access to decentralized finance, allowing them to participate in real farming, liquidity provision, and other DeFi activities. This vibrant ecosystem not only facilitates passive income generation but also promotes community engagement and participations. This new meme coin that recently entered its pre-sale phase has been quickly assembling a community thanks to its ingenious marketing method that also functions as a self-sustaining economy strategy for the crypto's development. This community-driven approach is the best referral scheme wherever based owner can generate a referral code and make a substantial 20% commission in USDT. Theory or BNB from each person beats purchase using their referral code. Even the purchaser using the code benefits with the 20% based bonus. Beyond the allure financial incentive, the cage beats community has developed a sustainable connection to the case. The concept behind cage beats revolve around the story of Dr. Jekyll, who established a biolabs to create mutate animals with heightened intelligence and power. These cages, now as cage beasts, are intended to overthrow oppressive consideration or orchestrated by humans. The responsibility to set them free will open the sports of this movement by activity participating in the cage beats community. Individuals play a potential role in advancing the overhanging narrative. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my video. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel. If you skip a in the next video. Thank you.